Hello guys! Today we'll show you how to add Elfsight widget to Google Sites website. Please note that it works only for static widgets, the ones that take the exact place on the website. Google converts all added elements to iframe, what means pop-up and floating widgets will not work correctly. Here's what happens if we add pop-up and floating WhatsApp chat apps. They just don't float as they should. Instead, they embed directly into the website content. So please use static layout if the widget you're trying to add has one. There are two ways to add our widget, and let me demonstrate both of them. Let's add a widget by its share link first. To get a share link, in Elfsight dashboard, click Install and Share Link. Copy it, we'll need it later. If there's no share link, don't worry and see the next step. Some of the widgets don't have ready-to-use share links. To get one, first, open the widget. Remove hyphens between last symbols. Remove everything before HTTPS. Add .elf.site in the end. And copy this link. Now let's add the widget to our website. Go to your website editor. There, click Embed and add this by URL. Choose Whole Page. Insert. Make sure it fully fits container. If not, make it bigger by dragging the edges. Publish changes. Let's check it on the live website. Great, here it is. By the way, you can drag added container to move to any place you like on your website. Now, let's try the second way to add the widget. The second way is very similar. Let's add a widget code directly. In Elfsight dashboard, click Install and copy the code. Go to your website editor and click Embed. There, hit Embed Code and paste the widget one. Hit Insert. Make sure it fully fits container, adjust its size, and move if needed. Publish changes. That's it. You can check more details in our Help Center article, link in the description. Thank you for watching and being with us.